So we've got this Ridgid air compressor, and when you plug it up, it just sounds like a fan's running. It doesn't. And so we're going to tear it apart and see if we can fix it. Stick with us. You shut that door over there?
No.
Yeah, go ahead.
You don't want you to do that.
All right. This is a T30 to take those bottom ones out. So guys, when we opened it up, we found a broken belt. And so it's an easy fix. Let me show you what it sounds like with a broken belt. Ready? It's just super loud, and it sounds like a fan because this little spindle is the only one spinning. It's not actually pumping. So we're going to get a belt ordered for this thing. I'll leave a link in the description. Right-handed threads look like. Just had to get something to hold it into a bind. And so I bought this off Amazon. I'll leave a link if it fits. Oh, come on. There we go. Fits perfect like a glove. Just have to kind of work it on, and he wants to walk off of this front one, but you just have to keep on till you got it. Put our screwdriver through there. See if we can tighten this bad boy back up. That was a 6mm Allen thing, but I ended up using a Torx bit because I didn't have an Allen to get it out, and hopefully I don't ever have to take this off again. So let's plug it up and see what happens. Got a little bit of air leak on that one. But anyway, I think that's a win. Leave me any comments you got. Thank you for watching. Can we fix it? We just did.
That is loud.
Running it doesn't.
Leave the sand out, right? Leave the sand on the table, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Did you clean up everything on the floor and turn the lights out over there?
Oh, yeah.
And so